Here we discuss the types of the knower. Bellingcat and colleagues in 1986 defined the 5 types of the knowers. Number 1, the silent knowers. Number 2, the received knowers. Number 3, the subjective knowers. Number 4, the procedural knowers. Number 5, the constructed knowers. Now we define the type of knowers one by one. First of all, the silent knower. Silent knowers are the nurses who tend to accept the voice of authority and thus learn to be silent. These nurses know their practices, their teaching, or their administrative practice, but they may not be able to articulate what they know through the theoretical development, and may not the language to express their analysis and interpretations. So they not represent their work. Their wisdom and insight is invisible. Received knowers. Now we define the received knowers. Received knowers believe in external authority. They can follow and reproduce. They believe that others are capable of producing knowledge. So they just follow and reproduce others. Subjective knowers. Subjective knowers depend on their personal experiences. These knowers believe and depend on their own inner voices and inner feelings. Knowledge to them is personal, private, and subjectively known as intuited. Procedural knowers. Procedural knowers depend on careful observation and procedures. They are rationalists. They are people who communicate procedures, rules, regulations, and thus may be best suited for developing empirical or procedural theories. Constructed knowers. Constructed knowers view knowledge as a context. They view the contextual knowledge. They experience themselves as a creator of the knowledge. They value both subjective